First step in creating a canvas with multiple pictures, what you want to do is have your cursor next to the scenario where you want to insert the canvas. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to make a canvas with a car um, with an elephant on top. So I have I placed my cursor right here. Go to the Insert tab, go to Shapes, scroll all the way down to New Drawing Canvas, and then you place the canvas on your page. Then you need to go and search for a car, since it's an elephant on top of a car, and then click on Go. For the car, try and choose a simpler background. You don't want a background like this or like this. You want rather a plain background. So I will go with this car. Make sure the car is within the canvas. You may want to resize the car, make it smaller. Then you want to search for an elephant. Now again, for the elephant, select a picture that has a simpler or a one-tone background. So I will go with this picture. You can pick whichever one you want. If you move the picture, you can see your car as well as the elephant. Right now the elephant has a white background, and you can see that when I put the picture on the car. To make the background transparent, I need to have my picture selected. Going to the picture toolbar, Format, Recolor, Set Transparent Color. Once I have this set transparent color, this changes into a pen. I just click the pen on the picture and you can see the white background went away. Now I can resize the elephant, and since it's facing the opposite side of the car, I may want to rotate it. So I'll flip it vertical, and then I will move the elephant on top of the car. Again, you can resize the image whichever way you want. And if your pictures are not going well together, you can always change to a different picture. Once you have your picture, both of them, the way you wanted it, you will bring your cursor to the edge of your canvas. There are 4 edges, as you can see. Make sure when you have selected the edge on the toolbar, it should say Drawing Tools, not Picture Tools. If you have your picture selected, it would show Picture Tools, but you want the canvas to be selected. So you just click your cursor on one of the edges and it would change into Drawing Tools. Now you want to move your canvas as close to your picture as much as you can. Okay, you can see that still there is a big gap between my 2 lines, and there is this white space which we really don't need, and it doesn't look very professional. So what you will do is you will select the canvas by clicking on one of the frames, and it shows Drawing Tool again. Go to Format, you go to Text Wrapping. First step is select in front of text. When you select in front of text, your picture is going to get messed up. Don't worry about it. Go back to text wrapping, and the next step is select tight. When you select tight, you still have your picture, but it's not really in the position that you want it to be. On the keyboard, if you look, you have 4 arrow keys. Using the top arrow key, you are just going to press the top arrow key, and it basically moves the entire canvas up. You can use the left, right, or bottom arrow key, and it will move your picture in reference to the text. You want to place that picture close to the scenario, and then when I move my cursor away from the canvas, you can see how my picture looks. It looks as if it's part of the story, and it doesn't have that extra white space that makes it look odd. So this is how you're going to put a picture or multiple pictures within a canvas. The next step is going to be to create another canvas where you will have a monkey in front of the door. So first step is going to be you are going to insert a canvas, then you are going to select a picture, or you're going to find a clip art of a monkey, and a door, you are going to resize them. Then you are going to make sure that if there is any background that needs to be removed, you will remove it. You resize the canvas, go to text wrapping, go to in front of text and then tight. And the next step would be using the arrow key and move your canvas where it says monkey in front of door. So you're going to have 3 scenarios for this story. First is going to be elephant on top. Second is going to be monkey in front of the door. And the third one is going to be frog riding on top of a bird.